Cancer is the second leading cause of death worldwide, and the World Health Organization estimates that there were 10 million deaths from cancer in 2020 alone. With such a high prevalence of cancer, the need for new and innovative approaches to cancer detection and treatment has never been greater. This is where AI comes in. By harnessing the power of machine learning and data analytics, AI has the potential to revolutionize cancer care and save countless lives in the process. Through ongoing research and development, we can continue to unlock the full potential of AI in the fight against cancer, bringing us one step closer to a world without this devastating disease. Early diagnosis of cancer. Early diagnosis of cancer is an essential element for improving the prognosis. The speed of diagnosis and imaging has already been revolutionized by AI. It takes about 10 years of training for a human brain to learn radiology, while AI manages to dethrone the best radiologists in diagnosing cancer after only a few days of training. Thanks to its analytical precision and deep learning, AI has become a precious ally for radiologists. In 2022, DeepMind developed the AlphaFold computer program, which predicted protein structures for the whole human genome. This breakthrough has significant implications for cancer research, as it allows scientists to better predict the structure of millions of unknown proteins, which in turn can aid in the development of new cancer treatments. In Singapore, Sengkang General Hospital, SKH, has integrated a newly developed artificial intelligence, AI, screening tool developed in collaboration with the biomedical firm Medtronic. This AI screening tool acts as a secondary set of eyes to identify nearly invisible cancerous growths in a patient's organs. According to studies conducted by SKH, the tool can detect about 20% more polyps than doctors can spot with the naked eye. And as the AI system continues to learn and recognize more polyps, the detection rate is expected to increase further. Let's also not forget wearable devices that are also making significant strides in this area. With the integration of AI algorithms, these devices can also detect irregularities in these metrics and alert the wearer to potential health issues, including the early signs of cancer. One good example of cancer-detecting wearables is the prototype bra called iTibra, developed by the Circadia Laboratory. This vest allows you to detect breast cancer in its early stages. Consisting of 2 smart patches placed in a bra, this device identifies temperature changes in breast tissue. A self-learning predictive analytics AI is used to identify and classify abnormalities in breast tissue. In the event of an anomaly, the system will advise the patient to go to a doctor to perform the appropriate imaging tests. Initial results are promising, and certification is in progress. If this system is so efficient, why not use the same technology for an undergarment that detects genital cancers? Or a t-shirt that detects the presence of a tumor? Sounds like science fiction, but the field of artificial intelligence is making great strides, using AI to detect cancer before it develops. Oncologists' hope of defeating cancer is not based only on the early detection of the first cancer cells. Ideally, they would like to improve cancer prediction, even before the first cancer cell is formed. This is where advances in AI come into play. The experience of the Massachusetts Institute of Technology, MIT, and Massachusetts General Hospital helped to develop a model to predict breast cancer up to 5 years before it manifests itself. The researchers tested the technology with data from 2009 to 2012 from 90,000 mammograms from more than 60,000 patients at Massachusetts General Hospital. The artificial intelligence system was able to detect subtle patterns that could not be identified by humans in breast tissue, managing to predict the chances of developing cancer. Artificial intelligence predicted 31% of cases in high-risk patients, which is a significant improvement in disease prevention, as previous traditional techniques could only predict 18% of these cases. What this AI tool does is identifies risk. It can tell a woman that you're at high risk for developing breast cancer before you develop breast cancer, says Larry Norton, medical director of the Lauder Breast Center at the Memorial Sloan Kettering Cancer Center, during a CNN interview with Poppy Harlow. In addition, AI can also order special tests or biopsies for areas of concern, reducing the need for unnecessary tests and procedures for patients. Dr. Norton also emphasized that the use of AI in cancer detection is not meant to replace the role of doctors, but rather to augment their expertise and improve patient outcomes. And as AI technology continues to evolve, we have great expectations that this application of AI will be used more and more. Discovering drugs using AI. Many institutions are continuously working to improve cancer prediction, early detection, diagnosis, and treatment. For these companies, the key to success is the collection of large masses of data. For example, an American pharmaceutical startup, Berg, has implemented a new work methodology that employs AI technology to develop a cancer drug called BPM 31510. This innovative approach involved collecting and processing tissue samples from 1,000 patients with various forms of cancer, as well as healthy individuals. By analyzing this extensive data set with its AI system, Berg was able to identify a viable treatment for pancreatic, brain, skin, and other cancers. Google is also working on a nanoparticle that could spread through the bloodstream to discover cancer cells or fight them. This nanoparticle could even communicate directly with a person's watch to alert them if a disease is discovered. Among other things, AI allows for the analysis of big data. They have the ability to make connections between a risk factor and a type of cancer, going beyond the capabilities of the human brain. For example, an AI made it possible to highlight the link between the anti-diabetic drug pioglitazone and bladder cancer, leading to the withdrawal of the drug. If this algorithm, which takes only minutes to train, were implemented on a large scale, it would enable a true revolution in pharmacovigilance with near real-time side effect detection. In the future, we can expect more pharmaceutical companies to leverage AI technology in drug discovery. And as these technologies continue to advance, we may see a significant shift in the way we approach cancer treatment and management, leading to improved outcomes and a better quality of life for patients. Conclusion. The field of cancer research is undoubtedly one of the most significant beneficiaries of recent advances in technology, but there are other areas that have also been revolutionized. Thanks to the combination of big data, AI, and genetic analyses, researchers are now able to identify patterns among patients with rare diseases, even if they are located far apart and have the same mutation. And while there is still no known cure for cancer, many experts believe that the answer lies within the data. So, what do you think? Will cancer soon be a rare disease thanks to artificial intelligence systems? Let us know in the comments below. And don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more exciting content.